Hey, what's up, y'all? Classic Kev back with another episode. Honestly, probably the most important episode yet. All right, y'all. So I did it. I aped in, or should I say, I rocket catted into my first NFT project on Cardano, the Boss Cat Rocket Club. Let me start by saying, y'all, I was not paid to make this video. They couldn't afford me. Nah, I'm joking. I could be bought. But I did find out about this project from my boys DZ and Justin over at NFT Update, y'all. Really awesome up-and-coming YouTube channel. They're the guys from BitBoy Crypto, one of my favorite YouTube channels. So if you're in the NFT game, I suggest giving them a follow because they're dropping some gems, y'all. And this project, y'all, I mean, let's go check it out. I'm going to show you some stuff that I really like about it. Let's go over to jpeg.store. This is kind of like, I guess, like the OpenSea for Cardano NFTs, y'all. Look at some of the artwork, guys. Look at the floor, 1,475 Cardano. Now, you can go back and watch the video Justin and DZ did on this thing. I think it was like half the price when they did the video. So this thing's skyrocketing, y'all. You know, and let's go to the website. I'm going to show you some stuff I like. Well, look, y'all, their Twitter, first of all, about 12,000 followers. Looks like it was ranked 4th overall in CNFT. So let's go to their website. I'm going to show you some stuff that I really like about this project. So founded by the member of the Bored Ape Yacht Club known as Blue Magic. So y'all, this Blue Magic guy, he owns a Bored Ape Yacht Club. If you follow this channel, you should know who Bored Ape Yacht Club is. That's one of the biggest Ethereum-based NFT projects. It's got people like Steph Curry, Post Malone's involved. So it looks like what they decided to do, y'all, because the gas fees are ridiculous on Ethereum, they built this project on Cardano, which is really smart because, y'all, right now, Cardano has like basically no gas fees. And if you follow this channel, you know Cardano is like one of my largest holdings. It went 3rd overall in my crypto fantasy draft. So if you want to get this project, you're going to have to get a Cardano based wallet. The one I'm using is called the Nami wallet. And, you know, there's some other ones. I don't know too much about them, which one's better or what, but this one seems pretty developed. You can view your NFTs in it. Seems like a pretty good wallet, but y'all, this project, it looks like they're really focused on metaverse. And let me show you this on their website. Real sleek website, well-developed website, y'all. You know, that's something you really should look for in an NFT project. So it looks like an exclusive sandbox space center and the first launch pad in the metaverse. Guest list to our members-only beach clubs around the world and access to our private galleries and underground auction houses. So y'all, apparently they have access to some beach clubs in Miami and I think like Ibiza, other countries that by holding this NFT, they're going to have events at those beach parties and you're going to get access. So definitely going to be holding on to this one because y'all, I mean, you know, it's a member of the Bored Ape Yacht Club. So, you know, if you believe in Cardano blockchain, and I do, that if you believe that this project's going to grow, then, you know, look at Ethereum. Use Ethereum as the roadmap, right? So if Cardano grows to take some of the market share away from Ethereum and grows to be anywhere near the size of Ethereum, then it's going to have some NFT projects. Now, I'm not saying that this one will be the CryptoPunks or Bored Ape Yacht Club, but it's looking like it could be. And if not, y'all, there's massive utility with this. And just showing, and look, let me show you one thing they're doing that every NFT project should do this. After the launch, the Boss Cat Rocket Club will initiate a buyback wallet for public listing on cnft.io that are priced lower than the mint price. This is an effort to maintain the floor price. So isn't it frustrating when you buy an NFT, when you mint an NFT and it it drops below the mint price on the aftermarket? They're vowing to buy back all the NFTs that are lower than the floor. So they're always going to buy, you know, from the mint price. So this thing, if you minted it, it's never going to go lower than what you minted it for. Shouldn't every NFT project do that, right? So a lot of stuff going on in the sandbox. It looks like they have some land in the sandbox. And look, this is what I was talking about here, y'all. The Boss Cat Rocket Club is currently in partnership with several incredible beach clubs around the world, from Miami to Bali to Ibiza, Hawaii, and even the Philippines. Exclusive beach club events will be hosted throughout the year across the globe for all Boss Cat Rocket Club members. Now, look, y'all, this is just what's on their site. I'm going to take them at their word. I mean, I bought it, so I believe that they're going to do it. But, hey, not financial advice. I mean, guys, I did buy a Justin Bieber NFT, so what do I know, right? But, so I'm just going down their site, y'all, and it just looks like they're really community-based. I watch their community on Twitter, very active on Twitter, and it looks like a lot of give backs, right? So they're going to be giving back a lot of Cardano giveaways, a lot of royalty giveaways. You know, and this is what you should focus on in these NFTs, y'all. You want community-based NFTs. You want community-based NFTs that the founders are have a history of doing successful things, that the community is engaged and involved, and that's got not only metaverse utility, but real world utility too. You know, accessing, you know, to these beach clubs and parties, right? And that's networking, y'all. Your network is your net worth. I've told y'all that before. So I'm not saying, like I said, y'all, I'm excited about this project. I'm going to continue to follow it on this channel. And as y'all know, you know, I usually only do videos on projects that I'm buying that I think have a future. So let me know in the comments what y'all think about this project. Are y'all getting in? Or if you know any other Cardano NFT projects I should check out, let me know in the comments. Anyway, y'all, I'm Classic Kev. I'm out. Peace.